Hello and welcome to another Peugeot video. This is the 1.9 diesel WJY series engine. So I was looking for the engine number. I read some forums. It said to follow the dipstick tube, and then behind the dipstick tube there's a number with micro dot on. I found that, but that's not the engine number. That's some kind of a factory code. The actual engine number is down here. Let's see if it comes out on the camera. It's there on that plate over there, just above the sump. So that's the engine number. It says PSA WJY. Then there's a model spec code along with the actual number. So that's what you want to be looking for if you're looking for the number. Because as I said, the other numbers, they don't make any sense. There's some kind of a factory code. So there it is. Of course, the actual, like the code WJY, you can find that in the VIN number. The VIN number is located on the side over there is the VIN number, as well as in your documents you should be able to find it, and there's a plate over there with the VIN number. So I hope this has been helpful for you to find the VIN number. I believe it's the same on many 1.9 diesel engines. If not, then this exercise is not for you. So I wanted to know if this was the original engine or not, because at some point the gearbox has been changed. And how do I know that? Because here it says, let me get the torch. Here it says P206 1.9 diesel. So this gearbox obviously came from a Peugeot 206 1.9 diesel. It's now in this partner. So I don't know if it's... I know that some of the gearboxes were interchangeable. They had the same codes. Haven't checked yet if that applies to this one. I have not looked for the code yet, which may not be as easy to find. I forgot to mention that in order to see the engine code down there, you need to remove the intake plastic pieces over here, as well as the box that sits up here, because the bolt for that box is right next to the plate, or the identification stamping area. So you need to go underneath the car to loosen the bolt that's right next to it, then remove the box assembly, and then you can actually see the number. So what box assembly am I talking about? It's this thing here.